here at the Huawei Pavilion at Mobile World Congress, and I'm talking with Michael Sullivan Trainer, Executive Analyst at TBR, and we're here to talk NFV, which sort of had its coming out party in 2015, but now I'm guessing we'll start to see some more deployments. What types of market trends are you seeing?
So NFV is definitely moving from a POC state, proof of concept state, to commercial pre-deployment state. We definitely see expanding going forward into 2017 with volume as operators solve some of the main issues that remain for NFV deployment.
Right, and what are some of the main issues? What are some of the biggest challenges at this point?
So the big challenge is NFV is not being done in isolation, it's being done in the context of the legacy network. So integrating with the legacy network, creating a end-to-end environment that still carries the benefits,
right,
is creating a great amount of complexity as operators try and operationalize NFV. So overcoming that is the main challenge.
Right, and is there a migration path? Is there a standard path that most operators are taking at this point, or is it really dependent upon what their specific needs are and how you bring in the service integrator for that?
Certainly it's the latter, a lot of customization. There are frameworks, but it does take a systems integrator to come in and help the operator to not only solve the complexity problem,
right,
but also implement the framework.
Right.
Because they may be unfamiliar with it, they may not have the experience, and still the legacy integration issue.
Right. And what are some of the things that operators should look for when they're trying to consider and evaluate who they might use as a service integrator?
So for integration partners, operators are looking for people who can both understand the IT implementation, the technology, NFV in particular, and translate that into what we call, lack of a better word, telco terms.
Sure.
Reliability, scalability, so experience in both realms is critical,
right,
as well as capability as a full service systems integrator.
Right. And I assume that most of the integrators need to be able to help them make the business case that they want to make for deploying NFV and virtual functions.
Sure, despite the excitement among the technical
yes,
people in the organization, the CFOs, the CMOs, they might not be fully convinced.
Right.
They're promising faster time to market for services, they're promising reduced costs, but the business cases still need to be proven.
Right.
So that's another role for a solution provider to help with.